capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor का capacitance अपन निकालेंगे. We have to derive the formula for parallel plate capacitor. Let us suppose there are two plates having area E. Separation between the plates is D. Positive charge is given to one of the plates. Equal and opposite negative charge will be induced on another. So let us suppose area of each plate is same. A. Separation between the plates is D. Surface charge density plus sigma minus sigma. That is charge Q. Plus Q here minus Q. Now between the plates, the space between the plates, whether it is vacuum or air, दो प्लेट के बीच का जो मीडियम है वो एयर है. Then we have to derive the expression for capacitance. So अपन three steps पे इसको करते हैं. First of all, we have to find the electric field between the plates. Electric field between plates. Electric field between plates. E. Second, we will find the value of potential difference between the plates. These are two plates. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इसके बीच में कहीं निकालेंगे. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड ये मटेरियल है, इस पॉइंट पर निकाला, इस पॉइंट पर निकाला. तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन द प्लेट्स E, then potential E will be equal to minus of E dr. इंटीग्रेट करेंगे. लेट अस सपोज इट इज r minus r plus. So from r minus to r plus. So this will give you value of potential difference, or V is equal to ED. Since electric field E is equal to V upon D. So from here V is equal to ED. Potential difference between the plates V बराबर ED है. Now third step, we have to find the capacitance C. C is equal to Q upon V. Capacitance is given by C equal to Q upon V. We have seen in the last class. Okay? So capacitance के लिए भी expression derive करेंगे. So this method we will follow. So first of all, let's find electric field between the plates. Now let us suppose this is the point between the plates. ये material है, इस point पर निकाला, यहाँ निकाला, यहाँ निकाला, anywhere between the plates. Electric field will be same. So electric field due to this charge, direction will be this one. Electric field due to this negative charge, also this direction. So net electric field will be sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. That is electric field between plates. Electric field between plates. It will be E is equal to, due to this positive charge, let's say it is E plus, due to negative charge Vg minus. So the direction is same. Positive charge के कारण डायरेक्शन होगा ये, नेगेटिव के कारण ये होगा. तो नेट फील्ड इज वेक्टर क्वांटिटी, तो E plus की माइनस होएगा. What is E plus? Due to this surface charge density plus sigma, it is sigma upon 2 epsilon. Due to this one also sigma upon 2 epsilon. That is sigma upon epsilon. So electric field between the plates, it is electric field E is equal to sigma upon epsilon. Between the plates, electric field इतना होगा. Directed from positive to negative charge. Electric field from positive to negative. Now we have to find the potential difference between the plates. Now second stage, potential difference between the plates V equal to ED. Now potential difference V is equal to ED. Putting the value, E का value रखेंगे sigma by epsilon naught D. Now we can see what is sigma. Sigma is surface charge density Q upon A epsilon naught D. So V becomes equal to this. Potential difference between the plates. ये कितना आ गया? Q upon A epsilon naught D. Then we have to find the capacitance. Capacitance C is equal to Q upon V. Capacitance C is given by C is equal to Q upon V. So from here putting the value, it is Q and what is V? V equal to A upon QD upon A epsilon naught. QD upon A epsilon naught. Q cancel. That is epsilon naught A upon D. This is C, capacitance. So this is the expression for capacitance C of a parallel plate capacitor. Capacitance is directly proportional to area. Area of the plate से ज़्यादा होगा, capacitance will be more. And D के inversely proportional है. That is, if the spacing between the plates decreases, then the capacitance increases. So in this way, we have derived the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. What to do? First of all, अपन ने ये diagram बनाया. दो plates हैं, है ना? Positive charge दिया, second में तो negative charge है. Surface charge density plus sigma minus sigma. Spacing between the plates, let us suppose it is D. Air is the medium between the plates. Charge Q is the total charge of the capacitor.
Now कैपेसिटेंस निकालने के लिए 3 स्टेप्स अपने को फॉलो करने हैं. We have to follow 3 steps. First one, electric field between plates. पहला स्टेप क्या होगा? प्लेट्स के बीच इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड कितना है ये निकालना. Once you have find electric field, then we can find potential V equal to ED or by applying this. But here it is convenient from V equal to ED. Third one, capacitance. What is capacitance from definition? C is equal to Q upon V. So now putting the value of V, we can find capacitance. So now we start from here. Electric field. First of all, we have to find electric field between the plates. E. This will be equal to E plus E minus. Because due to this positive charge, electric field will be in this direction, away from this. Due to negative, it will be towards it. So direction same है. So net electric field will be sum total of these two. E plus E sigma by 2 epsilon naught. E minus is also sigma by 2 epsilon naught. So as the electric field is vector quantity, so there is no question of plus minus sign. Direction same means we have to add. तो मैंने add कर दिया E plus E minus को. Sigma upon 2 epsilon naught plus sigma upon 2 epsilon naught. So electric field between the plates comes out to be sigma upon epsilon naught. Now second step, we have to find the potential difference V equal to ED. ED, putting the value of E, we find this. Now third step, we have to calculate capacitance. What will be capacitance from definition C equal to Q upon V? Putting the value of V, we find this is the expression. That is C equal to epsilon naught A by D. Capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when the medium between the plates is air or vacuum. अगर यहाँ पर कोई डायइलेक्ट्रिक होगा, then ये फॉर्मूला स्लाइड में मॉडिफाई है. ठीक है, अनदर फॉर्मूला भी देखिए. क्लियर? नाउ अब हम दूसरा एक केस लेते हैं, दूसरा सिचुएशन लेते हैं जिसमें कि द स्पेस बिटवीन द प्लेट्स, यानी जो प्लेट है इसके बीच में एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक प्लेस करते हैं. डाइलेक्ट्रिक इज प्लेस्ड इन द स्पेस बिटवीन द प्लेट्स. वो डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट इज K. ये डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट का एक डाइलेक्ट्रिक प्लेस करेंगे. नाउ कैपेसिटेंस के लिए एक्सप्रेशन क्या होगा? ये तो होगा विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक. दिस इज द एक्सप्रेशन फॉर पैरेलल प्लेट कैपेसिटर. नाउ व्हिच डाइलेक्ट्रिक फॉर्मूला? तो अपन यहां इसको रख करके ये लिख दिया. this one also capacitance, we find this value. Capacitance C of a parallel plate capacitor without dielectric is given by C equal to epsilon naught A by T. Now another situation, whenever dielectric of thickness T is placed between the plates, whose dielectric constant is T, then what will happen? Now from here you see the space where the dielectric is not present. This is D minus T. So electric field here what will be the electric field? Electric field between the plates. If you see electric field between the plates, E is equal to what will be the electric field? It will be in this space. Here electric field E exists. So let's suppose it is E0. E0 is the electric field where dielectric is not present. It will be E0 plus inside this dielectric. What will be the electric field? Here it will be E is equal to E0 upon K. Whenever dielectric is placed, then dielectric field becomes K times smaller. Or not? So here, what will be the electric field? Inside the dielectric, it will be reduced by a factor of K, where K is dielectric constant. So here electric field will be E0 upon K. In the region, operating region का वैसा T thickness तक, this is the electric field. In this length D minus T, this is the electric field. So the potential difference V between the plates, E0, length existing is D minus T. The whole space is D, it is T. So what is the space where dielectric is not present? D minus T length. So this is the potential difference between these. Now here E0 upon K, this is the electric field inside the dielectric. Now whose thickness is T, so we multiply it with T. So this is the potential difference across this. So total potential difference this plus this. Now what is the value of E0 we have seen? E0. Whenever no dielectric is placed, air is between the plates, we have seen electric field E0 is sigma upon epsilon naught. Here we are earlier, we have seen earlier. So now putting the value of E0, it is sigma upon epsilon naught D minus T plus E0 again sigma upon epsilon naught A T. What is sigma? Q upon A epsilon naught D minus T plus sigma again Q upon A epsilon naught A T. Now taking Q upon A epsilon naught common. Taking Q upon A epsilon naught common, we have D minus T plus T upon A. Now this is the value of potential difference V between the plates. Now third step, we have to find the capacitance. Now capacitance capacitance C is equal to Q upon V. Putting the value Q upon V. This is the value of V. Q upon A epsilon naught. Q upon A epsilon naught. Now it is D minus T plus T by K. Q upon this, we are putting the value Q upon this, not D minus T. Here D minus T plus T upon K. Now Q cancel. It is epsilon naught A upon D minus T. Minus T taking common, it is 1 minus 1 upon K. So this is the value of capacitance. It is C dash. So C dash is equal to this one. So this is the value of capacitance of parallel plate. Capacitor when there is a dielectric which is introduced between the plates, whose dielectric constant is K and whose thickness is T. So this is the expression for that. C dash is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T 1 minus 1 upon K. Or not? Now, special case if you want to see. Special case from here. Or not? So this you have written all these things. Now you see. Special case. That is, whenever the space between the plates is completely covered with a dielectric whose dielectric constant is K. Now, in the intervening space between the plates, that is whenever T becomes equal to D. or not? Completely fill यदि हो गया space dielectric डालने से उस केस में capacitance क्या होगा? From here you can see that's the equation 1. Now, from 1 equation 1 putting what? T is equal to D. Then entire space dielectric से flip हो जाता है. Then the thickness of the dielectric becomes equal to D. That is T becomes equal to D. In that case, what will happen from here? You see, C is equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus D equal to D. Now 1 minus 1 upon K. Now D minus D we cancel minus minus plus D by K. That is epsilon naught A upon D K is multiplied. This is C. That is C double dash. So this will be the value, or C double dash is equal to K times C. Epsilon naught A by D. It is the value of the capacitance when nothing is introduced between the plates. Only air or vacuum is present. Then the capacitance is given by C equal to epsilon naught A upon D. So now whenever the dielectric having dielectric constant K and whose then that is if it completely covers the space between the plates, then in that case T becomes equal to D. Putting that value we find C is equal to K times the value of the capacitance when the space between the plates is vacuum. So capacitance increases K times. Here also we can see what is the effect of introducing a dielectric between the plates. So capacitance also increases. In this case, capacitance increases. So this is the expression for capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. Without dielectric, it is C equal to epsilon naught A by D, and with dielectric, it is given by C equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T 1 minus 1 upon K. Now the entire space fills this having dielectric constant K. Then in that case, capacitance will increase K times. Clear? So we have to follow these three steps in order to find the expression for capacitance between the parallel plate capacitor. First of all, we will find the electric field between the plates E. Then we will calculate the potential difference between the plates by using this or this, which is convenient for particular thing. Now third one, capacitance is given by C equal to Q by V. We will put the value of potential difference B between the plates and we will obtain the desired result. Or not? Now, third case we see. Let us suppose there is a conductor between the plates whose thickness is T. Let us suppose there is a conductor. It is conductor. Now in the case of conductor, the dielectric constant K will be infinity. Let's suppose its thickness is T. Now if this conductor is placed between the plates, now what will happen? In that case, we will find the electric field first of all. What will the electric field between the space? First of all, we find the electric field between plates. Electric field will be E is equal to net electric field between the plates. It will be here in this space. Let us suppose it is E0 in the absence of conductor. So it will be E0. And in the case of conductor, if conductor of thickness T is placed between the plates, in the case of conductor, A becomes infinite. 1 by infinity 0. Then what will happen? It is 0. Now it is D minus T. So electric field in this case, here what will be the electric field? Here the electric field will be what? Here in this space, electric field here. In the case of conductor, inside the conductor, the net electric field is always 0. So net electric field inside the conductor is 0. So So here the electric field is 0. So this net electric field E0 operating in this distance V minus T, and electric field is 0 inside the conductor. Now second step, potential difference V between the plate. E0 field time separation. So E0 is operating in the region D minus T. Now what is the value of E0 in the absence of conductor? It is sigma by epsilon naught D minus T. And what is sigma? Surface charge density Q upon A or D minus T. So we have found the expression for V, potential difference between the plates in case of conductor whose length is T. If it is placed between the plates, then the potential difference is this much. Now we have to find the expression for capacitance. Capacitance is given by C is equal to Q upon V. Now Q it is Q. What is the value of V? From here we put the value Q D minus T upon A epsilon naught. Q cancel. So C is equal to what? Epsilon naught A upon D minus T. So this is the value of capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when a conductor of thickness T is introduced between the plates. Here also you see the capacitance will increase because denominator is decreasing. In place of D, it is D minus T. The denominator is decreasing, so the net value capacitance will increase. So we have seen in the case of dielectric or in the case of conductor, either dielectric is introduced between the plates or a conductor is introduced between the plates. In both cases, the effect will be same. What will be the effect? It will increase the effective capacitance. It will increase the capacitance of the capacitor. So this is the case of a parallel plate capacitor. So we have seen this much. In order to find the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor, we have to follow the 3 steps. First of all, we have to find the electric. What is the electric field between the plates? Electric field between the plates. First of all, we have to calculate electric field between the plates. Second step, we have to find the potential difference between the plates. And third one, we have to find the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor by using this formula. So we see when air is between the plates, then capacitance is given by C equal to epsilon naught A by D. Whenever conductor of thickness T is introduced between the plates, then capacitance is given by C equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T. And whenever a dielectric of thickness T is introduced between the plates, then capacitance is given by C equal to epsilon naught A upon D minus T times 1 minus 1 upon K. Correct? Up to this it is clear? I hope so. Now, a special case और एक देखते हैं जैसे कि dielectric is introduced between the plates. And now there are more than one dielectrics. Let us suppose it is one, there is another one like that. In that case, up to infinity. In that case, what will be the capacitance expression for capacitance? In that case, it will be given by epsilon naught A. Now let us suppose the thickness of one is T1, another is T2, T3 like T. And dielectric constant K1, another one K2, dielectric constant of another one it is K3 like that. Now different dielectrics of different thickness and different values of dielectric constants are introduced between the plates. Then what will be the net capacitance? So that will be given by this formula epsilon naught A upon D minus T1 1 minus 1 upon K1 minus T2 1 minus 1 upon K2 minus T3 1 minus 1 upon K3 like up to infinity. That will be the formula. Or it can be written as epsilon naught A upon D minus taking common T1 minus T2 minus T3 like that. If we take out the minus sign, it will be T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to infinity. Taking T1 common, minus sign common, it will be T1 plus T2 plus T3 like that. Now from here you see minus plus, it will be T1 upon K1 plus T1 upon K1 plus T2 upon K2 plus T3 upon K3 plus dot up to infinity. So in this way we can calculate the capacitance. If all these dielectrics are connected with each other so that they internally fill the space. In that case, we can do what if T1 plus T2 plus T3, all this will become to D. And here it is, using that value, we can solve this type of question also. Now, another type of capacitor is also there, that is spherical capacitor and cylindrical capacitor. Although we have not to see all these things, but we can see in case of particular one, let us suppose there is a sphere. एक sphere है जिसमें charge positively charged है. इसका capacitance क्या होगा? Let's इसका radius है r. R is the radius of this spherical capacitor. एक ही plate है. So we can assume that another plate is at infinity. Negative charge वाला जो plate है, it is at infinity. So here we have to calculate the value of what? Capacitance of a spherical capacitor. जिसमें केवल एक plate है. That is positively charged, another one infinity so है negative one. Now let us suppose this point is P and this is any distance r from here. पहला जॉब क्या था? We have to find the electric field. Electric field कितना होगा? E is equal to E is given by electric field due to this charge 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Now let us suppose total charge is Q, so it is Q upon r square. Electric field 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r square. Now second step, potential difference. We have to find the potential difference by applying this formula minus E dr infinity to this distance r. Potential work done in moving the unit positive charge from infinity to this point, that is r distance. तो अब देखो कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. One has to calculate the potential. In that case, we have to calculate this integral. Now definition it is E equal to minus E dr. Here lower limit to the infinity, we have to bring the unit positive charge from infinity to that particular point, that is at a distance r from the center. Now putting the value here, you see minus lower limit infinity upper r. E value of E is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r square dr. Putting the value of electric field. Electric field at a distance r कितना होगा? With this charge, we have seen the application will behave as if the entire charge is located at its center. So this charge will behave as if this total charge is located at O. So this will act as one charge Q. Now for a given charge, electric field at a distance r is given by this formula. Electric field is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon r square. Now second step, we have to do what is that? We have to find the potential difference between the plate. Here one plate is here, another plate is at infinity. So from formula it is given by minus integral E dr. Here limits are infinity to r. Now putting the value of electric field from here, we have this expression. Now minus infinity to r. It is Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This is constant. Q is constant and 4 pi epsilon naught is constant. Now here r to the power minus 2 dr. Now we have to integrate this quantity. Now using the formula integral of x to the power n. What was that? X to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. This we know. In case of integration x to the power n dx, then the value will be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Now putting this value here, you see what is the value of potential? V is equal to minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now here we have taken the integration r to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon minus 2 plus 1. Limit is from infinity to r. R to the power x to the power n. What is n here? Minus 2. Minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. Limit is from infinity to r. Now we have to calculate this value. Minus of q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. R to the power minus 1 upon minus 1. Limit infinity to r. Minus minus plus. So it is q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. R to the power minus 1 1 by r. Limit is from infinity to r. Now q upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Following or not? 1 by r. 1 upon putting the upper limit 1 by r minus lower limit 1 by infinity. So this becomes equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Second step. First step, we calculated the value of electric field. Second, we have to find the potential difference. By using this, we have obtained V is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. Now, third and final step. In order to find the capacitance of a single spherical capacitor having single plate. Or not. In case of double plate, it will be different. Now, you see, third step. we have to find the value of capacitance. But from definition, capacitance is given by C is equal to Q upon V. We have seen earlier from the definition of capacitance, charge holding capacity, C is equal to Q upon V. Or not? From here, Q, and what is V? Putting the value from here, Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. Q gets cancelled. Now it is 4 pi epsilon naught R. So this is the value of capacitance of a spherical capacitor. Capacitance of spherical capacitor having only one plate. Another is assumed to be at infinity. So that capacitance is directly proportional to R. You see here. Directly proportional to R means if larger sphere is there, its capacitance will be more. Smaller for a smaller one, it will be less. So this is the value of. Likewise, you can calculate the capacitance for a capacitor where there are two plates like that. Two plates are there. One is positively charged, another negative charge will be induced here. Now we will find the electric field. Electric field due to this charge. Here we will calculate. Now electric field due to this charge, it will be 0 because charge is there inside this due to this charge inside. The electric field will be 0. So only contribution will be for this. Now let's suppose this distance is A, this radius, this is A, and this one is B. This one. So in that is another situation. That is case of spherical capacitor where we have to find the capacitance where there are two capacitors, plus minus, and more precisely this one is earth. Outer one is earth. This is plus sign, minus sign will be induced to another one. Minus sign will be induced due to this positive charge, here will be negative charge, and outside this, according to neutrality of charge, outside there will be positive charge, and this is earth, so positive charge disappears. So there are two plates, these are spherical in shape, that's why the name is spherical capacitor. In that particular case, you have to find the value of capacitance or expression for capacitor. So what to do? This I have derived for a particular case. For a spherical capacitor having single spherical conductor having charge plus. Another will assume to be at infinity, and for that we have seen for a single sphere the capacitance is given by this formula C equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. If there are two plates, after this you have to do. If there are two plates, now see, I have drawn this on the board. If you have two plates,
41.
if you have two plates, one is positive, another negative. This is Earth. So all we have discussed. Let us suppose its radius is A, outer one having radius B. So what you have to do in order to find the capacitance? You have to do it. Or not, you have to do it. I will only show you the way. First of all, you find the electric field. Electric field due to the positive charge and electric field due to negative charge. What will the electric field due to this positive? So this charge Q here, it will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon this distance R is 1. Due to positive charge, the electric field at a distance R will be this. Due to negative charge, here, what will be the electric field? It will be 0. Because for conductor, inside the conductor, the electric field is always 0. So this one 0. So the electric field becomes this Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Second step, you have to find the electric potential difference between these two plates. Potential difference between these two plates. That is V is equal to, you will be using this formula, minus E dr. Now limits. Limit will be from V to E. From this surface to this. Potential difference between these two plates. So limit will be, but your limit B and upper limit from B to E. In order to bring the charge from this one to this negative plate to positive plate, whatever work is done, that is potential difference, you know. So from definition, B equal to this one, limit you will take like that. You will put the value minus of limits are this value Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R to the power minus 2 dr. Now the rest work, rest job you have to do. You calculate this V. Then in third step, you find the value of capacitance C is equal to Q by V, and you will find the dr here. Likewise, in case of cylindrical capacitor, the shape of the plate is cylinder. Another one like that. Therefore, this is cylinder. Let us suppose positive charge is given to 1, so negative charge will appear here, and if it is earth, then let us suppose this distance, let's say A, B, R1, R2, whatever you can take, R1, R2. So this is the case of cylindrical capacitor. In that case, you can also find the expression for capacitor. First of all, you have to find the electric field, and the distance R from here. you will find the value of electric field. Due to this, electric field will be lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r. Due to outer one, electric field will be 0, so net electric field will be E plus. Due to E plus, positive charge के कारण electric field कितना होगा? That is line of charge lambda by lambda, if lambda is the linear charge density, charge per unit length. Then in that case, lambda upon 2 pi epsilon naught r. That is the electric field due to this. In the space between the positive and negative plates, electric field ये होगा, ठीक है? Now due to negative charge inside the conductor, the electric field is always 0. So for negative it will be 0. So you find the electric field. Now in the second stage, you have to find a potential difference V is equal to minus E dr. Taking limit from this to this R2 to R1, R2 to R1. Alright. Now third stage, after finding the value of V, after calculating V, you have to find the expression for C. By using this formula, C is equal to Q upon V, and you will have the desired result. So this all you have to do, and today we have finished this section, that is capacitance of a parallel plate. Capacitor, we have obtained the expression for parallel plate. Capacitor with and without dielectric when your conductor is placed, and this one. Thank you. Good day.